Ang sagot ni Sir Nap ay...
Adam Sandler.
At ang tamang sagot ay... The correct answer was Jim Carrey. At dahil dyan, bumunot kami sa lahat na nag-text ng tamang sagot. Panalo ng 20,000 pesos si... Congratulations!
Welcome back to
Panahon Ko To! Okay, our texting lines are now officially closed.
Pero kasama pa rin natin si Bars from Team Fanatic.
Your answer was Fernando Po Jr. Kayo po ba?
Do
May
you have
papula
any
kayo?
other suggestion, Ms. Risa?
It's Eddie Rodriguez.
Eddie Rodriguez.
Okay. Pero your answer was Fernando Po Jr. Tama ka kaya? Tingnan natin kung sinong sikat. The correct answer is Eddie Rodriguez, award-winning Filipino dramatic actor, also became a film director. It's
Sayang,
okay.
but it's okay. Your team still wins 15,000 plus 25,000 because you opened 5 stars. Congratulations. A total of 40,000 pesos.
At bukas announce namin kung sinong lucky texter na may tamang sagot ang nanalo ng 20,000 pesos.
Kung wala nag-text ng correct answer, may 2,000 pesos na consolation prize pa rin kaming ipamimigay.
Team Fanatic, nag-enjoy ba kayo ngayong umaga sa Panahon Ko To? Galing. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At abangan niyo po, malapit na ang Laugh Out Loud. Abangan niyo po yan, mga kapamilya. At kayo naman, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, salamat sa pagtutok niyo. Sama-sama ulit tayo mag-reminisce bukas kasama mga bagong grupong palaban. I'm Luis Manzano. And I would like to thank Designer Whey Protein, Gold Gym, Executive Optical, Ray-Ban Swatch, Drs. Manny Paikalayan, Doc Nelda Eufemio of New You Asian, the 4 Traffic Shoes, and Vans. And maraming salamat Asian Car Makers Corporation, the exclusive importer of BMW in the Philippines. And Miss Joyce Ramirez of PR Asia. Thank you po.
And I'm Billy Crawford. Now I would like to say hi to my mom and dad. They're in Texas right now.
Hello
Miss
po.
you guys. See you soon. Human Fly Perfume, thank you very much. Swatch, Uni Silver, Kalayan Merger, Ray-Ban, Henry of South Salon, and Dr. Steve Gan. Happy birthday to Michelle Ann Yalong of Quezon City. See you again tomorrow dito kung saan ang buhay mo, ang araw-araw na laman ng kwentuhan. Ito ang